Hello everyone! In this video we will tell you how to deal with hard-coded secrets. This is what a typical task looks like for hard-coded secrets after the verification by a security engineer. It's also possible that such a task can include a description written by a human, but the skeleton is the same. Why is it important to avoid hard-coding of secrets? In the case of .git directory exposure, an attacker will be pleasant to see your code with hard-coded secrets laying around waiting for him to use them for privilege escalation and private information exfiltration. If your Docker image with the service having such vulnerability in public, then the attacker can also see your secrets in the source code and use that the same way as in the previous example. In any other case, the result is about the same. An attacker gets an option to infiltrate into your systems. This is a small graphic from 2021. Just imagine how many people were affected by different security breaches of these 200 companies. All of them were breached in 2021. Having secrets in a code can increase the chance of a breach. What companies usually do to avoid security breaches caused by hard-coded secrets? Use AWS parameter store, use HashiCorp Vault, put secrets in environment variables. Not a good choice, but still better than hard-coding. Render secrets to .env file and read it. What is our company best practice? In our company, we prefer to use AWS parameter store to store our secrets. Other options are also available, but using them brings more complexity into our continuous delivery process and are not a centralized practice. It's time to fix this. First, prepare the secure place for your secret. Second, remove secret from the code. Third, change this secret if possible. Fourth, clear it from the commit history. Thank you for your attention. Bye.